Well, the Old Nueces County Courthouse was closed 40 years ago, and it's been slowly falling apart ever since then. But there now appears to be some movement on an effort to renovate the old courthouse. And today, Chris 6 News anchor Priscilla Torres spoke with a man who wants to fix it up. So, Priscilla, how soon could we see some construction start on this?
Well, Lee, according to the developer, Steve Coon, we could see those renovations starting in as soon as 3 to 4 months. Coon, who specializes in renovating old buildings like the courthouse, says there's still things that need to be done in order for that to happen, but says he's confident in this project.
And not only is it worth it, it's probably the building that's going to bring everything else back to life here in Corpus Christi.
Steve Coon, owner of Coon Restoration, specializes in historic projects just like this. And when he heard about the 103-year-old building up for sale, Coon says he saw some pictures and knew right away he had to see it in person.
And I was originally brought in to take a look at the courthouse to see if it was worth saving. And after walking around the courthouse and going inside, fell in love with the facility.
That was earlier this year, and today Coon and his team are back in town meeting with city and county officials to work out some final details. Coon wants to restore the courthouse and turn it into a boutique hotel that would have about 240 rooms.
We've still got some speed bumps that we've got to go over, but for the most part, I mean, we're very bullish and excited about doing this project, and I'm 100% positive that it's going to be hugely successful.
Commissioner Mike Pusley agrees, saying in its current condition, it's been an eyesore for other developers looking at the area. But Commissioner Pusley says this project will help attract more business, especially once the new Harbor Bridge is in place.
So I think it goes along with us being able to encourage other people to come here, to show them that we care about revitalization, to show them that we care about historic buildings. And so it's really key to making all of that fall together.
Now, once construction does start, it would take about 2 years to complete. Just a reminder, the Texas Historical Commission has strict guidelines on the restoration of this building. Coon says he is aware of those and ready to begin this project. Stephanie.